Good morning. This lecture focuses about the multiple choice questions on engineering graphics isometric projection. Question number 1. The projection in which three dimensions of a solid is presented in one view is known as projection of solids, development of solids, orthographic projection, pictorial projection. In the pictorial projection, the three dimensions of a solid is presented in one view. That is called pictorial projection. Okay, it is a 3D projection and all others are 2D projections. So option is D. This projection is not a pictorial projection. Perspective projection, isometric projection, orthographic projection, oblique projection. So perspective is 3D projection, pictorial projection. Isometric is also pictorial 3D projection. Oblique is also a pictorial 3D projection. Orthographic is not a 3D projection, it is a 2D projection. It is not a pictorial projection. In orthographic projection, top view, front view, left side view and right side views are drawn. So it is not a pictorial projection. It is not represented in a one view. It is represented in multiple views. So it is not a pictorial projection. So C is wrong. Third question, pictorial projection in which solids are drawn to actual size is known as isometric view, isometric projection, both of the above, none of the above. In pictorial projection, the solids are drawn to actual scale. If it is drawn to actual scale, it is called as isometric view. Okay, if it is drawn to actual scale, it is known as isometric view. If it is drawn to isometric projection, isometric scale, it is known as isometric projection. Okay, if you take a 45-degree line, you take a 45-degree line. In the line, mark 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter like that, and draw another 30-degree inclined line. Okay, this scale is called known as isometric scale. This is a 30-degree line, and draw a vertical line from 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, and 3 centimeter. Okay, and this represents a isometric. This is called as a isometric length. So this is actual scale. This is actual scale, and this is isometric scale. In the actual scale, it is drawn to 45 degree, and isometric scale it is drawn to 30 degree. It is reduced in length. This length is equal to 0.815. The isometric length is reduced by 0.815. So if it is drawn to actual size, it is called as isometric view. If it is drawn to isometric scale, it is called as isometric projection. Next question, the pictorial projection in which solids are drawn to isometric scale, it is known as isometric projection. B is correct. In isometric projection, and the horizontal lines are drawn inclined lines to the angle, it is 30 degree. Okay, in isometric projection, so this isometric projection in which, so the inclined lines are drawn to the angle 30 degree, and if a cube is to be drawn, it is drawn on this line. Okay, a cube is drawn, it is drawn on this line. Okay, this is called, so all the horizontal lines are inclined at 30 degree and all the vertical lines are vertical. Okay, if you draw a cube, so all the vertical lines are vertical, but all the horizontal lines are inclined. Okay, these two are parallel. These lines are, all the horizontal lines are inclined at 30 degree. This line is inclined at 30 degree. This is parallel to this line. These two lines are parallel. So all the inclined lines are inclined. All the horizontal lines are inclined at 30 degree. All the vertical lines are vertical. So this inclined, it is inclined, horizontal line is inclined at 30 degree. It's inclined at 30 degree. So this is an isometric projection. Horizontal lines are inclined at 30 degree to the horizontal. So this isometric scale is a true lengths are measured on 45 degree and isometric lengths are length 30 degree, and this is equal to 0.815. Okay, here the angle is 30 degree. Angle of inclination of the cube is 30 degree. So in the isometric scale, you should draw the scale by drawing this to the angle 30 degree. This is isometric projection. Here it is the isometric view. It is drawn for actual length. If it is the cone cube size is 50 mm, it is drawn to 50 mm. But in isometric projection, it is not drawn to 50 mm. It is 50 into 0.815. It is nearly 42 mm. It should be drawn for 42 mm. Isometric length, the scale is reduced. The edges of the cube in isometric projection make angles of 120 degree. Okay, the edges of the cube, so this is one edge, this is another edge of the cube in isometric projection. They make the angle of 120 degree. Here the total angle is, here it is 30 degree, it is 30 degree, the total angle is 180 degree. So 60 plus 120, 180. So the edges of the cube make angles of 120 degree. Okay, so option D is correct. In isometric projection, each dimension is shortened by 0.815 times, 0.81 times. So option D is correct. When a drawing is constructed using isometric view, each dimension is reduced by, so if it is drawn for isometric view, no reduction in dimension is required. Okay, it is drawn to actual scale. If it is drawn for isometric projection, it should be shortened to 0.815 times the actual dimension. But for isometric view, it is no size reduction is required. The isometric projection of a circle is, so isometric projection of a circle is ellipse. Isometric projection of a circle is ellipse. Okay, so here it is a circle. So you have to, you should enclose the circle in a box. This is a box method. Okay, here this is, if it is, this is point 1. So this point 1 is placed here, and they are inclined at 30 degree angles, and this length 1 to 2 is drawn here, and it is 4. This 4, the length is drawn here, and like that the circle is drawn. Okay, circle is drawn, and here then you have to find the major axis. You have to find the major axis, and you have to find the minor axis for the circle, and with 1 as center and 1a as radius, you should draw an arc. Then 2 as center, CD as radius, you should draw an arc. With 2 as center, 2b as radius, you should draw an arc. In this way you should draw a circle. Okay, so but here the actual isometric shape obtained is ellipse. So isometric projection of a circle is ellipse. So option A is correct. Isometric projection of a sphere. Isometric projection of a sphere is a circle. Okay, isometric projection of a circle is an ellipse, but isometric projection of a sphere is an circle. 4-center method is used to draw the isometric projection of a circle. Okay, here the 4-center method, using the 4 centers. Okay, A, B, C, D, these are all the 4 centers. There are a lot of methods available to construct the ellipse. Eccentricity method, okay, bend and box method, concentric circles method. There are a lot of methods available, but using this 4-center method, we are drawing ellipse in isometric projection. So 4-center method is used to draw the isometric projection of a circle, that is used to draw the ellipse. Box method is used to draw the isometric projection of prism, pyramid, cone, all of the above. So all can be drawn using box method. Isometric projection of a rectangle is, it is a parallelogram. Isometric projection of a rectangle is, okay, you should draw 30 degree line, then it is a isometric projection of a rectangle is a, it is a parallelogram. Okay, so option D is correct. Isometric projection of a square is, it is a rhombus. So isometric projection of a square is a rhombus. Okay, option C is correct, not D. Okay, option C is correct. Then isometric projection is, each dimension is reduced by 81.5 of the actual dimension. Option D is correct. In isometric projection, volume of the solid is reduced by not 81.3, it is reduced by 54.13. Here length is shortened by 81.5%, but actual volume is shortened by, okay, if you multiply 0.815 into 0.815 into 0.815, it will be around 54.13. 54.13% of actual volume of solid is reduced in isometric projection. In isometric projection, the direction of sight is perpendicular to the plane of projection. Axis of sight is, direction of sight is perpendicular to the plane of projection. The actual length of the line is 50 mm. The isometric length of the line is, it is not equal to, because isometric length is asked, isometric projection is asked, isometric projection is not equal to 50. For isometric view, it is 50 mm, but it is isometric projection, it is not 50 mm. It should be less than 50 mm. Okay, so this answer is correct. 40.75. It is not 60. It is greater than 50 mm. So in isometric projection, length is shortened, so it should be 40.75 mm. In isometric projection, ellipse is normally drawn by not by eccentricity method, not by oblong method, not by concentric circle method. It is drawn by 4 center method. In isometric projection, cube is front face appears in true shape. Axes are at 45 degree to the horizontal. Depth only is reduced. All faces are equally distorted. In isometric projection of a cube, all faces are equally distorted. Thank you.